Hi everyone, in front of me I have this OnePlus 10 Pro smartphone, and in this video I would like to show the top 3 apps for it. So let's go ahead and start. The first app that I would highly recommend on getting is called Unseen. It's basically the app that gathers all the messages you got from all kinds of messengers that this app supports and lets you to read them, see them without the person who is the sender of this message to know that the messages have been read. So the first time we launch it, it gives us like a little startup first launch instruction. Here just press on next, choose the messengers that you would like this app to support, that you would like to link this app with. I'll just stick with the standard set of Messenger app, WhatsApp app and Instagram app. Click on next, give some permissions to this app by just looking for it in here. Unseen, as you can see, the permission is denied. Click on it, turn on the switch, allow, and press on back. And as you can see at this app we have few tabs. So the first tab is responsible for all the messages that you get all around the apps that you have linked to the Unseen application. Here we have the separate tab for the Messenger, for the WhatsApp and for the Instagram, and you would be having the separate tab for each or any app that you have linked to the Unseen application. Here we're also able to configure some of the things like here. And as I said previously, this app is very cool app in terms of you being able to read some messages, see the media that people send you without the sender of these messages and media knowing that the messages have been seen and read. So that was it for this app. We're moving on to the next one, which is called Electron. That's the app that allows you to gather some useful data about your battery, about its condition and current state. In order to open it, just tap on this icon here. There is also some starting instructions which will explain what is what, give you some like general idea what this app is capable of. And here, while launching this app for the first time, you gotta calibrate it, so it will go ahead and automatically analyze the state and the parameters of your battery. Click on done after the scan has been performed. Here click on OK, and as you can see on the main page of this application, you are able to get some useful information on your battery. For example, its temperature, battery capacity, battery type, voltage, and etc. Also, once you will charge your phone after this app is present on your device, it will also provide you with some additional and very useful information on the charging process, whether there are any issues with it or whether there are any malfunctions, for example. This app also has very humble but still some settings that you can alter. For example, you can turn on and turn off the dark mode. You can change the units, the measurement units of the temperature. I'll just stick with Celsius, but you can also get yourself the Fahrenheit or Kelvin. And I actually just forgot to tell that the settings also give you the opportunity to recalibrate the battery once you feel like this procedure needs to be done. So that was it for the Electron app. We're moving on to the third and last one, which is called Caffeine. And prior of me opening it, let me show you that while you enter the settings, go to the settings of display. Here, as you can see at the auto screen off category, the maximum value that you can set is 30 minutes. But in case you ever wanted to set the sleep timeout to never, so your phone will not be automatically turned off, or should I say the screen of your device will not automatically turn off after like some fixed time of idleness, this app will definitely help you with it. So we'll go ahead and open it, don't show again, and here we can see that with the little help of this app we're able to set the screen timeout option to infinite, or actually there are some increased values like 1 hour or 30 minutes. So I'll just go ahead and choose infinite, and for the time this app is active, for the time this app is running, your screen will not turn off automatically, no matter how much time will it be in the idle status. So that was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.